Here I sit, all broken-hearted. Tried to assemble, but I'm just here fucking beating it. Because I need the axle seals to continue what I need to do. Scotty, he said sugar. There's something wrong with Scotty. He said sugar. Okay, I'm over here now. Back to sanity.
And just think.
Thank you for making me feel better, because I was about to lose my mind. I'm waiting for our axle seals, like I said. It's been...
No, hold on. It's been way too long, but remember?
Almost 3 hours.
No, put your hand back. Put your hand back. He's got his finger in the hole! In the hole!
Oh, Jesus. Scotty. Good God. Yep. Scotty said too much sugar, boys and girls, and this is what happens. So, anywho, I have our...
Flavored water, man.
Ooh, yes. Flavored water sounds good.
Pineapple, coconut, black cherry, mango, lemonade, cherry.
Ooh, black cherry sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome.
So, got the backing plates for our parking brake, and which is also our caliper bracket. That's all here, ready to go, bolted on. Hey!
I didn't do it. I didn't do anything.
Hey!
I apologize.
Turn off your oonts.
I don't know why it did that. I really don't.
Because it doesn't love you.
This is true.
Anyway, got our backing plates on with our bolts, ready to go. As soon as my seals show up, I can put the seals in, slide the axle in, slide this over the seal, put our nuts on, and that part is done. And then I can mock up our caliper, and I can mock up our rotor, make sure everything's good there. I also need to work on the parking brake, which I will be doing here momentarily, because I got to disassemble all this stuff. I want to get my parking brake cable out and situated. I want to get that off and see what we need to do, if anything. But both sides, backing plates are on and waiting. Yay! Waiting for stuff. Drives me nuts. It's a common seal, people. There should be more than one pair in the whole valley. Ugh, ridiculous.